Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store.
C5.
Knight F3.
D6.
D8. Store.
C captures on D4.
Knight captures on D8. Store.
Knight F6.
Knight C3.
A6.
Bishop G5.
E6.
F. Store.
Knight C6.
Queen D3.
H6.
Bishop H. Store.
G5.
F. Captures on G5.
Knight G4.
Castle's queenside.
Bishop D7.
Knight captures on C6.
Bishop captures on C6.
Queen F3.
Knight E5.
Queen F6.
Knight G6.
Bishop G3.
H captures on G5.
Queen D8. Store.
Queen A5.
A. Store.
Queen C5.
Bishop captures on D6.
Queen captures on D4.
White captures on D8. Store.
Bishop G7.
White C. Store.
Rook D8.
Bishop C7.
Rook D4.
Bishop A5.
Rook captures on C4.
Bishop captures on C. Store.
Bishop E5.
H3.
Knight F4.
White G1.
King f8.
Bishop d8.
f6.
Bishop b6.
King f7.
Bishop d3.
Rook g8.
Bishop a3.
g4.
H store.
g3.
King d1.
Rook g4.
Bishop captures on f store.
Rook captures on f4.
h5.
Rook h4.
Bishop a2.
Bishop captures on c3.
B captures on c3.
Bishop captures on e4.
King d2.
f5.
Bishop f3.
Bishop captures on f3.
G captures on f3.
f4.
King d3.
Rook captures on h5.
King a store.
e5.
What b1.
g2.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.